Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Juliet. If this is your first time here, you're welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I get my frontal wigs laid down. So yeah, starting the video, I already kept my hair into different sections. Usually I'll put it in cornrows, basically going all the way back. But I just washed my hair and I really wanted to get this video out, so I decided to go in, use the hair just the way it is. It's still flat, so it still gets the job done, and that's fine. So first off, I always go in with a wig cap. It can be any color of your choice. You can, most preferably, sometimes people like to go in with the one closest to their skin tone. So but for me, I don't mind because the wig I'm going to be trying out today is already customized. So right now I'm just making sure that all my hair is well tucked into the wig cap and there is no flyaways. So once that is done, I'm going to show you guys the wig I'll be using for this video. So the wig I'll be trying out today is from Slade Wigs on Instagram. I got the hair from them. They're on IG. I don't know if they sell from any other outlet, but yeah, I ordered mine from Instagram, from their IG handle. I can leave that in the description box in case anyone is interested in getting this wig. I've been seeing this wig for so long. I've been following their handles for so long, but this was my first time of getting their wigs, and I must say it was, it was beyond my expectations. It was beautiful. The hair is lovely, very soft, and the shedding is very minimal. Just because I was combing it, so I saw that it was shedding. So basically, once you're ordering your hair, they ask you to give them your head measurement. So you have to take your head measurement and send to them, because the wig is customized to your head measurement, obviously. So yeah, the wig already came customized. The knots were bleached. It was cut to perfection. There was just a little extra space at one of my ears, I think the right one, that still needed to be cut off. But apart from that, everything was perfect. It just needed a little bit of glue to hold it at the edges. If not, you could take this wig. You could wear this wig as a wigless wig, or however. I believe it can still be done. That's if you're going for like a custom fitting, So yeah, this is the area that still needed to be cut off because it was just a little bit too much. So first, to lay the wig, I'm going to go in with my got2b glue. You can use any glue of your choice. Anyone that you use that already works for you. I really like the got2b. Sorry, this is the blast freezing spray. I think that's the name, yeah. Not the gel. I have the gel also, but I just like to go in with this one because it is very, very fast. It dries down very fast, and when you're in a rush, you just want to leave the house, with your hair laid and everything. This is like the fastest to go. You can get the job done in about 10 to 15 minutes, depending on how familiar you are with laying down your wig frontal, basically. So yeah, I always go in with my my blow dryer on the lowest setting. It's on cool. I never use hot for this. So yeah, I have that side laid down already. I always like to go in with the little comb to make sure that none of the hair gets stuck into the gel or the spray, basically gel spray. You know what I'm talking about. So yeah, after that, I'm going to repeat the same thing at the other side. I'm going to spray the blasting spray down, and then after that, I'm going to lay that side down before I go in to cut off the excess lace. So yeah, now that I'm done laying this section out, I'm just mapping out the area that needs to be cut out. So once I've gotten that, I'm going to go in with some pair of scissors, and then I'll begin to trace that. Basically, you want to cut around your ear areas. Just make sure you follow your ear so that you don't cut too much of the lace off. So once I'm done cutting off the excess lace around my ear area, I'm going to apply a little bit of the blasting spray around my ear because that area was lifting a little bit. And then after my ear, I'm going to put it just at the center of the frontal because I could see that place coming up a bit. It was also lifting, so I needed it to like lay down flat. So yeah, then I went in again with the blow dryer to dry up the spray, and yeah, that was all. I just went in with the comb to make sure that no hair is stuck to the spray. So after that, I'm going to go in with a little my hair tie. Basically, it's just going to help me secure the frontal to the spray once more, just to make sure that it doesn't lift at all throughout the day. It gives it a more longer time for the wig or the frontal to be stuck or glued with the spray. So yeah, basically that is it, guys. That is how I get my frontal wig laid down. So basically there are different ways you can style this wig. Basically, I just like how versatile and how it is styled. Of course, you can style this in any way you wish to, but I really love this hair. I love the color. I can leave the hair like this, or I could change up the style again. So basically it just depends on you. So yeah, guys, this is the complete look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video, guys. Bye.